What are you looking at, Maxine? Plant. What plant? Kuya, can you tell them what plant you look at? Tell them
Lavender.
what's lavender?
This look like lavender.
Lavender?
Wait, what you doing?
Working.
Kuya, remember when we were playing Adopt Me Hide and Seek?
Yeah?
And you couldn't find me. You looked everywhere around the map, right?
Yes.
I was actually flying in the sky.
What?
Yeah, it's true.
What?
Yeah, I'm actually telling the truth. I did a little glitch and then I went flying up to the sky. Yeah, it's actually true. I followed a glitch from YouTube. Oh yeah, I followed a glitch from YouTube and it actually worked. Sandy X Misty. You know that YouTuber?
Bye po.
Sandy X Misty, Kuya.
What?
You know Sandy X Misty? No. That's how I went flying.
Why did you call these a rainbow dinosaur?
It's cute like rainbow.
How is this cute? The other one was cute. The brown one, the T-Rex. And the Ceratosaurus, Spinosaurus, and Allosaurus, and Velociraptor, Stegosaurus, and Parasaurolophus.
Can we just try and like play Adopt Me next time?
Yes.
Or today? You want to play next time or today?
Next time. But after this video, let's play Brookhaven.
Yeah, after
Hide and seek.
Brookhaven Hide and Seek. Oh my goodness, yes. Remember when we played as demon slayer?
What?
Remember we played as the demon slayer characters?
Yeah.
That was actually so weird. Right?
Yes!
That was so funny. I remember you said you're going there. You're going to there to save me. Remember when I was getting kidnapped? Yes.
Chase this rainbow dinosaur. It's a Gigantoraptor.
Where are you?
Pokemon!
Where's Rainbow? Where are you?
Look at the map.
Dinosaur.
Wait.
Where? How the map? How
There. This one. See?
this map?
Yes. The yellow ones are the rainbow dinosaurs.
There you are. Hello. Hello. Where are you? There you are.
You know, one time when I still had those in the actual game, I used to shoot them.
Whee!
You know, I used to shoot them. You know? Yes, I used to shoot
Where are
them.
you?
You know, I used to shoot them.
Ay, mamaya.
The rainbow dinosaur.
Where are you, Rainbow? What is that? Why is it crawling like that? What is
It's
that
a
thing?
moss trap. It's a moss trap.
Okay, where are you, Rainbow Dino? Where's Rainbow Dino?
Wait, take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture.
Yes, Rainbow Dino. That's Rainbow Dino. Give me one chase Rainbow Dino.
Why is he only walking and then he's so fast?
Where are you?
It's a Gigantoraptor. It's a Gigantoraptor. Wait.
Ah,
There.
dinosaur.
Rainbow dinosaur. Rainbow Gigantoraptor. This time he was a rainbow Gigantoraptor. There's no orange. There's no red.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, half rainbow dinosaur? Where are you, half rainbow dinosaur? Where's half rainbow dino? Where's Rainbow? There you are. Don't run away from me, half Rainbow Dino.
Okay, now it's my turn. Wait.
I want to touch a Rainbow Dino. Half Rainbow Dino.
Let's wait.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do something different. What? What happened?
Look, Kuya, look what I made. A house.
What house? With your fingers and a pony? What is this? Again? What do you call it again?
House.
No, the pink thingy again.
Pony.
Pony, right? Yes.
Why do you forget what it's Why is it a...
Hey, Maxi, look. Chloe.
Kuya, also the dinosaurs here are cute. They're so cute.
Look, it's Chloe.
You need name some... Wait, do you remember when we were playing a dinosaur game and you named one of my dinosaur, Hershey and me, and then a baby called Michaela? A baby dinosaur named Michaela.
Si Mark. You mean those dinosaur games? Those dinosaur fighting games?
Yeah, I remember when you like when you made me in that dinosaur game and you and then Michaela and Mark.
Look at Chloe in the fan.
Remember that time?
But look at Chloe in the fan. See?
Aww.
Look at him in the fan.
I am. Where is it following us?
I don't know.
Kuya,
Yes?
pony.
Sige mo I think Chloe wants a pet. Oy. Chloe. Chloe, just kidding. Ew.
If there was a
What
pink
happened?
dinosaur, do you know what I would name it?
What?
Pinky Toe.
What you mean, Pinky Toe?
Yeah, I'm calling it. I will actually call it a Pinky Toe.
What do you mean, Pinky Toe?
Favorite ko na ito. Nilalagyan ko ng itlog.
Parang low mo siya.
Oo, gusto niya.
Wait, Kuya.
Wait. You. But don't press the recording because it's gonna. Yeah.
Does it have lipstick on?
No, this is not lipstick.
Look, it has lipstick.
This looks like it. Wait. Let me see. What? Chloe, what?
Kuya, remember? Kuya, do you still remember the old Brookhaven with the daycare, the
Look
constant...
at this.
It's invisible. Kuya, can I ask you something? Do you remember the old Brookhaven?
No.
It's full. Remember the old Brookhaven? Kuya, remember the old colorful Brookhaven?
No, but look at this.
Kuya, diba the Brookhaven was so colorful before?
Yes, but where is Chloe stuck?
I don't know. Can I tell you?
Where is Chloe stuck?
Kuya, can I tell you something about Brookhaven?
Yes.
It's not colorful anymore.
It's not colorful anymore. Think about it black. Is it just black?
What?
Is it just black? Oh!
It's actually fun for realistic things. I started to like it until I decided I missed the old Brookhaven. But it is kind of big now. Besides that, it actually looks cute.
I think Chloe kissed me.
Kuya,
I think Chloe kissed me.
wait.
Actually, I think Chloe kissed me.
He's not. Looks like. Kuya, can I tell you something?
Why is he looking at me? He has
Yeah.
lipstick.
I have pet fishes.
What?
Yeah,
You have what?
pet fish. eyes.
Why it look like I was kissing me when I looked at her there before?
Kuya,
I think
can we play
Chloe kissed me.
another game?
But wait, I think Chloe kissed me. Okay.
How do you
Now let's go day.
What? How do you know every time it's Chloe?
Because I'm following him. Okay na.
Can we just play another game?
Iguanodonis. What?
Iguanodis? You mean?
No, I said
Iguanodis?
I said iguanodonis, but sure.
Can I call it iguanonis?
How about iguanodis?
No, I want to call it iguanonis.
Oh, wait.
Next time you come to my house, I'm gonna show you something.
What? Okay, now look at iguanodis. Look at iguanodis. Wait, look at this. Look at this weight. Look at this weight.
Is that the heaviest dinosaur?
No, it's not the heaviest dinosaur here.
T-Rex.
No, but maybe the Microsaurus. What's it gonna name?
You mean from a duck?
No. How about a Margie?
Yeah, first. Also,
A Margie!
where is it?
A Margie!
Kuya, come here.
A Margie!
Look, it's Bina.
Hi. Does a Margie look cute?
Of course.
Look! Look, Maxine. Does a Margie look cute to you?
Of course.
Look, taan mo ba, look?
Mangitim.
Maxine, look.
Can we play another game?
Wait, I'm still videoing.
Wait, you're making a video?
Yes, I'm making a video.
Oh!
Ah,
You're recording?
Yes. Think Chloe kissed me.
Kuya,
Again, before.
if we're going swimming today, it's still okay if you can join us.
Yes, but if my mom says no, then no. It doesn't matter, put the cloud away.
We got a new swimming
Wait.
pool.
Oh my gosh! Look at the bike! Wait, look at the bike's weight! It's so heavy! Look at the bike's weight! Oh my!
That is heavy. Wait, can we check how heavy the grass is?
What do you mean, guys? What about dinosaurs?
Oh. Kuya.
Oh my! Chill!
Kuya, remember my folder? Di ba you made a folder for me? Where is it?
What folder? A mask? You mean my mask?
You know, the ones with all those silly girl games.
What do you mean with that?
You know,
The what?
those games.
I deleted those games because I wouldn't let you play them.
Oh, why?
8 naman sila.
Because I barely like to play them. So I thought it was no use and then deleted them.
I wanted to use it.
But I don't let you.
Just like the watermelon game, the merge watermelon game.
But I didn't delete that, but it just got deleted. I mean it probably did, but I had no choice maybe. I'm sorry!
Can you install it again?
My grandma has one. My grandma has one, okay? Aww. I pat a Margie.
So cute.
Aww.
He's eating grass. It's so cute. His eyes are adorable.
putting bubble gum eggs. I still have them, but I keep eating them because so that they won't expire.
Mommy, I want one. There's still? Because I want one.
Yes, there's still more, but I just keep eating them so they won't go expired.
Candies don't expire.
But I thought they would.
Really?
And I also use them as a handle for my trash can there in the house.
Is it okay if I have some, please?
Yes, but how can I ride a Margie? I can't ride a Margie.
You want to ride him?
Yes, I want to ride her.
You want to ride? Oh, it's a girl?
Yes,
Okay, you want to ride her?
yes.
Hi, baby!
Come on,
Come on! Kuya, kuya.
it's Marcus. Marcus the cutie baby.
Yeah, he's good.
This is good. It's a baby here.
Mine.
See? Hi, Maxine. Okay. I can't ride her. I can't ride a Margie. Maxine, I can't ride a Margie.
Why? Can you ride other dinosaurs?
Wait. No, you can't. I want to ride a Margie though.
Inaano ko pa.
A Margie! A Margie! Kuya, is that a Margie? A Margie!
Yes?
Is it okay if I have two bubble gum?
Yes. If my mom and your mom lets you.
Nag-aaral ko.
Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, pet.
Ay, kuya, my mama said yes.
Yes?
Yeah, so can you get them now, please?
Mami, can Maxine have bubble gum daw?
What does that mean?
See, I'm petting a Margie. Oh! You didn't see it.
Do you want bubble gum too?
Maxie, you didn't see it. I was petting a Margie.
Aww.
Aww. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Kuya,
Yes?
my mommy and your mommy said yes, so can you get them now?
Mami, pwede mo ba daw po? Mami, can you get the bubble gum daw? Ew. Maxine, come here. Maxine, come here. Wait. I think Amay really wants me to pet her again. Wait for it. Somebody not. Okay. Now who? This is Amay, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now who's this?
Can I name it him? Can I name it?
Yes. You mean her?
Yeah. Oh, it's a girl again?
Yes, but she can have a boy's name. So what?
I don't know. Can you do it sa taas? Bubble gum.
Okay, can you hold? Look at Ali first. Okay, Ali. Keep following Ali. Okay.
Oh.
Her name is Ali.
Andun sa may taas ng madayang.
Don't turn off the video, okay?
I will.
Don't turn off the video, okay? No. That's Ali. Don't turn off the video, okay?
I don't even know how to turn it off. How do I? Why am I
Just don't press that, okay? So that the video won't turn off, okay?
How do I?
Okay?
Okay. How do I? Wait, how do I get faster?
You can't go faster.
You're so slow.
Just follow Ali. Just don't stop.
Basta. Ali, come on. Ali. Ali. Come on.
Mga leader muna.
Kuya?
Did you talk to the viewers?
What?
Did you talk to the viewers?
I don't know.
Did you talk to them?
No, why?
I'm just asking.
Kuya, look.
You want?
Can I have, yeah, sure. I want pink.
Okay, Michaela.
Okay,
I'm gonna have the green one.
there's green here.
Yes, there's green. It's kind of new. Okay.
Problem with Ali.
What? You need to stop?
Yeah.
Just wait a while, then she'll get out, I'm sure. Like Chloe. Oh, this is about alleyways. This is how much alleyways. Oh yeah! She got out! She got out! Maxine, she got out! Maxine, look!
I know.
Okay? Now, don't name this one. Don't name this one Bexy because it's copyright and it's from Jurassic World. He's a T-Rex, but don't name him Bexy because it's copyright. Maxine, name him. T. B what? Dex? Sure.
At least it's not the one. Is Tex okay?
Hey,
Sino? Nasa dyan.
wait, let's see. Oh! Oh! Dex, chill! He's weight. Look at his weight. Look at his weight. Look at his weight. No, look at his weight. Ooh. Except that was,
Not as heavy as the second one.
you mean Amargi?
You know, the one with spikes.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh!
Ay, Webesh!
Tex is stuck. Tex is stuck.
Pasok si Myla. Teka, wala. Hindi na mag-spin.
How about can we put YA in Tex?
Texi?
Huh?
Sure?
Kaya naman ako ng
It
parang...
sounds like the thing we do on the internet, text.
Ang hirap ng
Yes,
pagpasa.
it does.
Parang...
Can you get the pink one?
Okay. Already finished with the blue one? Already finished with the blue one?
Ulo sa nagpapo eh.
Yeah? Yes? Can you spin it out?
Star World.